But before we get into today's program, I would like us to, I would like, before we get into today's program, I think it is important that we get a warm welcome. Our members, who is the lead for the Publicity and Mobilization team with a background in applied biology. He was the team lead for the Sustainable Developmental Goals SDGs Cohort 7 Kano State team. He is the managing director of HAMAR OMNI Services. He is a youth development advocate and an SDGs advocate. Please, ladies and gentlemen, please help me in welcoming Comrade Hayatu Rufai Hayatu for the welcoming address. Sir, I hope you are with us right now and you are ready to give your warm welcome.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Melanin Digital Empowerment Summit 2026, theme from learning to earning. On behalf of the organizers, the Melanin Code, Iconic University as major partner, HAMAR OMNI Services, National Association of Nigerian Students, NANS Zone A, the organizing team, I warmly welcome each and every one of you to this Melanin Digital Summit. It is a pleasure and honor to join us today. Today's summit is more than just another online event. It is a platform created to inspire, educate, empower individuals to transform knowledge into opportunities. Our theme, from learning to earning, remind us that acquiring skill is not only the beginning. The real impact comes when we apply those skills to create value, solve problems, and build sustainable careers and businesses. Whether you are a student, graduate, professional, entrepreneur, researcher, content creator, or someone eager to grow in digital space, you have made the right decision by being here today. We believe that every participant has the potential. We believe that every participant have the potential to succeed in today's digital economy. We are privileged to have an outstanding lineup of speakers who will be sharing practical experiences, valuable insights, and actionable strategies across various fields, including technology, public health, freelancing, entrepreneurship, content creation, and digital innovation. I encourage everyone to participate actively, take notes, ask questions where possible, and make the most of this opportunity. To our distinguished speakers, thank you. Are you with me? Seems like my network is interrupted.
No, we are with
So
you,
to
sir.
our
We can hear you.
okay, to our distinguished speakers, thank you for accepting our invitation and for willing to share your knowledge and experiences with us. We appreciate it. To all participants, I urge you to listen attentively, take notes, and ask questions where possible. Once again, I welcome you to Melanin Digital Court 2026. Thank you.
Wow, sir, thank you so much for that warm welcome. Please, everyone, give a virtual round of applause to Comrade Hayatu for that beautiful warm welcome. And for those watching on YouTube, make sure you leave a heart.